Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you to make ande ka paratha part 2. So in this video I'm going to make the ande ka paratha in second style. So this is round, circular, and it contains full of vegetables. So I'm going to make it with you in very simple way as I made usually. So please try this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my videos if you like it. You can follow me on Twitter also, you can like my Facebook page also, and you can download my app Damini's Kitchen also. Link is given in description, and watch the video till end because I'm sharing some important tips for making this. So let's start.
So guys, here are the vegetables that I'm using in this paratha. So for making this ande ka paratha, I have taken the following vegetables. Firstly, these are some coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, and I have chopped them into small size. And some green chilies, some chopped onions, peas I have taken. You can take boiled peas also, but I have taken some small size chopped peas. Some green peppers or capsicums, and some carrots. And you can take some beans also. I have taken just a single bean. So let's start making it. And for making a single paratha, I am using this one egg. And I have taken the knitted duff. You can check my recipe of making this knit duff. You can check my recipe of making knitting the floor. So let's start making it.
First of all, I'm taking a single empty jar. Now I'm adding these vegetables into this. So add these vegetables quickly in this. Now I will add some spices into it. Firstly, I'm adding some cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon, 1/4 tablespoon of coriander powder, and salt I'm adding according to taste. So I'm adding 1/3 tablespoon of salt. So chilies are optional because I have added some green chilies. So I'm just adding a pinch of red chili powder into it. Now mix all the spices into these vegetables, because if you will mix these spices in these vegetables, then these spices will get evenly mixed into our paratha. So mix it well properly. When the vegetables get mixed into these spices, then add this egg into this. Be careful, the shell should not be there because it will not look good. So mix it well. So now you can see that the vegetables that I have used are mixing in this paratha. So that's why I'm using a single egg more, because the consistency of this is thick. So you can use one more egg. That's why I'm adding one egg more into this, so that the consistency become thin. Now mix it well. The egg yolk and the vegetables get mixed. Now I'm mixing it with this. Quickly mix it well. The vegetables, spices and egg should be mixed evenly. So mix it. Now guys, you can see that a foam is appeared on this egg. After mixing, you can add just 1 tablespoon of milk into it to appear more foam. I have not added the milk into it, so you can add if you want. So it is also a great tip to increase the foam in this. So this batter is ready. Now we will make the chapati. Guys, firstly take a small ball from the dough and roll the chapati, and the chapati should be flat and thin. So quickly roll it, make it round as you can make. And one more thing, you need to make it thin. So I will quickly make it. Now you can see that. Now you can see that I have rolled the chapati. Flip it like this so that it will become more large. The corner should be thin. Now I am taking this griddle, let it heat properly, when the griddle get heated, now we will add this chapati onto the griddle. You can use non-sticky pan to make this. I'm using the simple one. When the griddle get heated, now add some oil. I'm using the mustard oil. Just 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Spread it evenly all over the griddle, because our paratha will be big, so it should be spread all over the griddle. Once the griddle get heated, now lower the flame and now add this paratha by this way onto the griddle. Now you can see that. Now I am adding see that it should be cooked. Start cooking. I'm not adding the butter over here because it should be cooked a little more. Now I will check. It is not cooked. Check whether the first side of this is cooked or not. Now when the first side of the paratha get cooked, now take a knife. You need to make a pocket on this. If your chapati get properly cooked and properly, then there is a pocket. So add the paste over the paratha like this. So I have added the complete paste of it. Now you can see that. And now lower, the flame is at lower level. Spread it evenly to all the over the paratha. And now flip it with the help of the spatula. You need to carefully flip this paratha like this. Now cook it properly so that all the vegetables and stuffing in this paratha get cooked. This egg omelette will get stick onto the paratha, so cook it until the vegetables get cooked. Now you can see that the corners get cooked. You can see the corners when the paratha get cooked. Now you need to flip it carefully. You can see that this side will also get cooked. So this paratha with very lots of vegetables get cooked. I'm cooking it just for few seconds so that the corners get cooked and the vegetables get cooked. I'm cooking it on the lower flame because I should cook the vegetables properly. So the paratha get cooked. Now you can serve it with some tomato ketchup, green chutney, or as you want. So if you like this recipe as my first egg paratha, so please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it, guys. If you are not subscribed my channel, and if you have subscribed my channel, please guys share, comment, like my other videos also, and stay connected with me. Now I am serving this paratha in this plate. I'm switching off the flame. I will serve it in this. Now you can see that it is cooked from both sides. This side is cooked and the another one is also get cooked. So you can eat it, serve it, and if you like it, please hit my channel, subscribe, like my video if you like it, and please download my app Damini's Kitchen. Link is given in description. So please download my app, directly access to my channel, and like my Facebook page to watch my videos on Facebook also. You can press the watch video button to watch my videos. So please download my app and like my Facebook page. Thanks for watching, guys.